Welcome to Electrical Software and Wiring channel. Hello friends, I'm an electrical and electronic engineer. In this video I want to explain how to connection automatic transfer switch. At the first, for support us click on subscribe button and press bell icon. Now let's go to wiring diagram connection. Explain components. Number 1, MCB miniature circuit breaker. MCB is an electrical mechanical device which are used to protect an electrical circuit from an overcurrent. Number 2, contactor. Contactor is an electrical switching device. It's used for switching an electrical circuit on and off. Output terminal, auxiliary and coil contacts. Number 3, timer relay. A timer relay is combination of an electromechanical output relay and control circuits. The contacts will open or close before or after the prescribed timing interval. What's automatic transfer switch or ATS? Automatic transfer switch is an electrical switch that switches a power cord between two sources. Some transfer switches are manual, since an operator performs the transfer by operating a switch. When others are automatic, they are already activated when they detect that one of the source has lost or gained energy, and an operator effects the transfer by drawing a switch. When others are automatic and trigger when they sense one of the source have lost or gained power. An automatic transfer switch or ATC is often installed where a backup generator is located, so that the generator may provide temporary electrical power as the utility source failed. Automatic transfer switch shift to generator or solar load automatically after the absence of all main power. Power from a standby engine generator originates to building when normal power fails. It's also signal the genset when the runoff and when the shutdown. Thanks for watching video. If you like it, please subscribe and press bell icon. Don't forget share with friends.